Look, a real spaceship.
Let's see.
A zombie car. Very amazing.
Yeah, you know what that's called?
Huh? What is it?
It's called the USS Enterprise. You know you know who flies it? Captain James T. Kirk.
Dad?
Yep. So what else do you want to show me?
Something. Pirate boat. Knew that. That's a pirate boat.
Yeah, it's a kite.
Yeah, it's a pirate boat.
It's a pirate boat kite.
Look at.
Yeah, I just wanted to, he wants it today.
You want to go look at the trains?
Dad, Lego motorcycle.
Woohoo!
Lego monster truck. And another one. Jumper one. A jumper one.
A jumper one?
Hey, look at this. Okay.
Let's go look at the trains.
Fire. Wheel cane fire. Wheel cane fire and one eye. Number one. Now see there? Bigger. Wow. And look at this. Hot dad. Dad, see these cars? Cars. Whoa. Dad, look at Traffic Monarch airplane. And Traffic Monarch airplane, Dada.
What's a traffic monarch? You mean camouflaged?
Yeah, it
Camouflaged airplane.
Camouflaged.
Camouflaged. Perfect.
Traffic Monarch camouflage airplane.
Or a remote.
Dad, lift me up.
You want to see up here?
I want to see the other one. Wow, look at that.
What is it?
I don't know. Okay. Dad, look at the other one. Wow, remote control airplane.
Yeah.
Real big one. Dad, do we have to drive that one?
I don't know.
Motion control. Motion control. Wow, see that? Huge one. They have to carry it in a huge trouble. Wow. So it's big. That's so big. Wow. Amazing. We have to fly it.
You think so? Do you think you could fit in it?
No.
But wouldn't that be cool if you could sit in there and then I could fly it, then you could fly all around?
Dad, let's fly one.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
Think we should?
Yeah, thank you.
Let's just see. If I wrecked it, we would have to pay
What?
$359.99.
Oh, we should.
I would buy it and then I would wreck it.
No.
You don't think so?
I don't want to. You too.
Oh, I wouldn't wreck it on purpose. No, we can't get it though. We better just set it here.
Why?
Because if we do actually wreck it, then we will have to buy it. That's the way it goes.
Ah, a tree.
Yeah, that's for remote control cars.
Oh. Can we buy one?
No, because we don't have any. We don't have a train set.
Oh.
That's for a train set, I guess.
The train set.
But one day we'll get an electronic train set.
What train set?